And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Tim Studebaker.
Today's one of those days where you have a huge variety of temperatures across the area, very wide range depending on where you are. If you're inland, you made it toward 90 degrees today. A couple of spots did make it to that 90 number. And if you're near the coast, it was a lot cooler with highs mostly in the 70s. And now some coastal spots are already in the 60s thanks to that colder ocean water and a breeze off of the water. We do have a warm and relatively muggy night out ahead of us. We're hot and humid again for your Sunday, with cooler temperatures at the coast once again. You can see the shades of green on the map here indicating those cooler spots. These are the high temperatures from today. Inland areas like Coventry and Smithfield made it to 90. We were very close in Pawtucket as well as Taunton. And then the farther south toward the coast you go, the cooler the temperatures were. So if you need relief from the heat, you need to be near the water, and that'll be the case again for tomorrow. Highs at the coast were only in the 70s, and winds coming in off the water right now in places like Newport and Westerly. Of course, Block Island being surrounded by the water, that has cooled the temperatures even further. We're down to the 60s in Newport. Aquidneck Island, very much the cool spot within our area at this point. And then the farther inland you go, not quite as much relief, although we are now down into the 80s for those spots that made it to 90 earlier on. Dew points are elevated, humidity is up, and that is going to be the case for tonight and into tomorrow in the uncomfortable to oppressive range through tomorrow, but a cold front tomorrow night will mean a drop in those humidity levels as we head into the beginning of the next work week starting on Monday. Much more pleasant conditions. Because of the heat and humidity continuing into your Sunday, inland areas are under a heat advisory through tomorrow. Cooler temperatures at the coast, so no heat advisory necessary there. If you're sensitive to the heat, you want to use caution, limit your time outdoors, and maybe consider rescheduling outdoor exercise or work. Also, through 11 o'clock tonight, we do have an air quality alert in place for the state of Rhode Island, and that's because a lot of times when it's hot and humid, you get ground level ozone concerns. So if you are sensitive to that, maybe you have heart or lung conditions, you want to be aware of that air quality alert through 11 p.m. tonight. We do have a cold front on the way. It won't arrive until Sunday evening, so we have sunshine, hot temperatures for tomorrow, as well as elevated humidity. The cold front will touch off some shower and thunderstorm chances for Sunday evening, but that'll also usher in much more pleasant conditions for the start of next week. Mainly clear with maybe some patchy fog tonight, temps in the 60s, warm and muggy overnight. Hot and humid for tomorrow, especially away from the water, cooler at the coast, near 90 in some of the inland spots. It's a breezy day with southwest winds 15 to 25. Showers, maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder on Sunday evening. That will lead us into a much more pleasant stretch starting on your Monday. Temps in the 70s for most of next work week, much lower humidity, another shower chance late on Friday. Let's